Shade the portion of the Venn diagram that represents the given set. It would like us to shade what this represents. So first, let's try reading it. D intersection the complement of M. That sounds very complicated. Let's read it another way. D and, this is and, intersection and, D and not M. D and not M. So this is what D and not M looks like. So D but not M. So the easiest way to read it is D but not M. D but, this and can also be but. D but not M. So this is our shaded region. Let's practice some more. These shadings come from these symbols. Let's see how we could match them up. So this says B intersection S, or B and S, or keep what is common between B and S. So when you see this intersection, you just keep what's common to them, where they overlap. So they overlap right here. So this shading is this. So B and S, they overlap here. This shading is this symbol, not S. So we're going to shade everything except S. So shade everything, but don't shade S, not S. Remove S and keep the rest. This one represents B union with S. When you have the union, notice that this has been flipped around. This is intersection, this is union, you flip it around. Union means you keep what they both have to offer. So keep all that B or S has or both have. So that would be this shading. This shading comes from these symbols. So what you do is you do the underneath first. So find the union between B and S, the union. That means just shading this would have been shading these two circles. But this one says not, or you could say remove. So shade the union and then remove it. So if we shade the union and then remove it, what's left is everything else. So after identifying all of B and all of S, remove it and keep the rest. This shading comes from these symbols. Now, notice right here, we have the complement of B intersection S. Well, you could write it again and put the S first and then the complement of B. They're equivalent. You get the same picture. Keep S but not B. Now you could read it as keep S but not B. So we're keeping S but not B.